welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I'm your host, Brandon, and today we are getting into the House of Mancera. 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 Okay, and in particular, we are getting into, what is it? Rose Vanilla. All right, so let me... I like it when it fights back. All right. Rose Vanilla. Let me unsheathe this thing. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. We're going to get straight into it. Not going to waste a whole lot of time. Time is precious. Let's see what they list from the note breakdown. We have Rose Vanilla. There it is right there. Looks like some flowers. So, Rose Vanilla. Floral Gourmand. Perfect for the holidays. Floral Gourmand. We're going to go ahead and get this in the spirit. Let's spray the last one. In the spirit. Oh, wow. Ready. Good grief. All right. And strong. Woo. A modern velvet. This is a nice rose. This is a nice rose. A modern velvet rose rounded with intense creamy vanilla and dried by dark woodsy cedar. Notes: rose, vanilla, and cedarwood. All right. Rose, vanilla, and cedarwood. Very sweet, very floral, for sure. Fragrantica. Rose, vanilla, powdery, musk, floral, woody, citrus, and sweet. In the top notes, you have Italian lemon. That's it. In the middle, you have Turkish rose. I know my Turkish rose when I smell it. Turkish rose. Then in the base, you got vanilla, white musk, and cedar. And let me let you know right now, this is a nice fragrance, guys. This is nice. Definitely unisex. I can see a guy rocking this for sure. This is, you know, with the blazer, with the open chest, with the nice floral pattern. Button up underneath. That's what this is. Yes, it is. Yes, sir. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. I know my Turkish rose when I smell it. And this is a nice Turkish rose. Now, the fragrance is a little scratchy. It's a little scratchy. It's a little... It's a little simple. It's a little scratchy. It's a little simple. But I do think that this is a decent fragrance. I don't know how much these fragrances go for and cost. I wouldn't pay more than $100 for this. Maybe 125. Let's see what they are going for. Yep. 135. All right. So I would say if you can get this on sale, this is a nice fragrance. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad at all. The Turkish rose is definitely keeping it alive and in and in play. It's got a decent amount of musk in here. Yeah. Yes. Rose vanilla. I'm not getting a whole lot of vanilla. This isn't bad. Dare I say the best out of the pack so far. Yeah. I like this. Rose and vanilla. Not bad. Definitely a real juicy rose. Probably worn on cooler days. I could also see you wearing this on high humidity days. I think it'll just like do its thing even more. There's something about wearing a rose fragrance in like on a rainy day. They just come alive. It is a little bit humid out here. I think it rained maybe last night. Well, obviously last night, but I think it's doing something for this fragrance. So yeah, those are my opinions on Rose Vanilla. I think vanilla. I think this so far, this is my number one. Well, you know what? We're here. Let's go ahead and compare it. The only other one I would say is close would be Cedar Boys. It's the only one I would say I like. And for a cheap Aventus, like, it's not bad. I gotta say, it's not bad for a cheap Aventus. But I think this one's the most creative. Yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. I think my mom used to have something similar to this when I was a kid. Yeah, maybe, possibly. Anyway, that's it. Let me know what you think about Rose Vanilla. Do you get more of the, I don't really get any lemon. Maybe just a hint of it. But it's mostly like a musk, rose, maybe a little cedar type of fragrance for me. So yeah, what do you think about Mancera in general? What do you think about Rose Vanilla? Have you seen any guys rocking this? Do you know women that rock it? I think this would be very favorable on a woman for sure. This is a anytime, any place. Let me grab this and wear it. If I want to be noticed, I'll just spray more of it. It is very strong. So those are my initial opinions. Let me know what you guys think. I will catch you in the next one. One thing I know for sure, YouTube's making some excellent recommendations right now. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.